Hey guys, it's Kelly. So I am just going to show you, it is mid-April, my little tulip garden. These guys are Asian or Asiatic lilies. They get tall and come back each year. I'm in a zone 7, so these guys are perennial for me, but I planted them all up. I think I made a video about it, showing you all the bulbs I put in. I'm just going to show you real quick. Okay, how cute. You see the dogs running. Hopefully the wind's not too much. If not, I guess I'll just voice over it. But we'll also go over here. I forget, this guy's like an Adam's needle. I got him from my sister. Like, she has a whole bunch in her yard, so I put him here. We'll see. We'll see. We got the azalea bushes. This is an orange azalea, which looks like it's coming back, just taking its time. I have some puppies, some daffodils, yep. And then that's a little lilac bush that I put there. These guys, this guy blooms white flowers later, towards the end of spring. Again, we got a car. Another azalea, this guy blooms red. This is a lilac bush that was here when I got the house. That plant back here is a rhododendron with the purple flowers. Yeah, so. Alright, let's see what else we got growing. We'll go to the front yard, I guess. Just how cute. And it smells so nice. It's got like a nice floral scent. It's really nice. Yeah. I like it. Alright, so over here, the dogs are coming. I have hydrangea bushes. We got this guy right here. There's another really little one right here. The dogs dug up that one, so I don't know. That one's probably not going to make it. We have another one here, then another one growing back here. This, get out of the light, is my bleeding heart bush, which I'm so happy it's come back. I thought my boyfriend stepped on it by accident last year, and I thought it was a goner, but it came back. Yay! Alright, so over here we have another rose bush, which the dog keeps digging, really ticking me off. But there is some green still on the stem of this bush, so hopefully this bush isn't dead. We got these guys, I forget the names of these guys. Hosta, a little yellow flower. I think it's a dead rose bush. Daffodils. This guy is a light purple flowering plant that all the flowers are gone. I think we have another dead rose bush. Some more digging where the dogs keep digging. And we got a blue little plant with finally definitely alive rose bush. I do have more little rose starts that I can replace these guys with. It's just, I just wanted these guys to live, you know? But I don't know, can they be dormant for a whole season? Like, if they need to? I don't know. If you know, let me know. Are they goners? Should I just replace them or should I wait? Somebody please help. Alright, and then in the front, I picked up these guys. These two are new. I forget the names of them. And again, more digging. Really, these dogs. Oh, man, they're testing me. So we have these guys. I don't know if this will root up again or not. It'll stick you in. But, and it's not all my dogs. It's one dog. She's been really kind of bad about digging, and it's pretty recent. She never used to really dig, but now she is. So I guess if you have any suggestions on that, and the poor little tulip got knocked over there, let me know about that. We got this guy. Oh, this guy might have gotten eaten. It was a hibiscus, hyacinth, no, hibiscus, hyacinth. Might have gotten eaten by a deer, Or the dog knocked it over, I don't know. Got little tulips right here that keep getting knocked over. This is another one of these guys. This one I have had for almost 2 years now. And this is, I think, the first year it's going to actually bloom since I've bought it. Like when I first bought it, it had blooms, but it died back and all that. But I think we finally have a bloom. And I think this is a light pink color. So we got the light pink, purple, darker pink. Alright, and then I don't remember what this is, but it looks cool. Hope it's not a weed, but who knows. Got tulips coming up. This thing, again, I don't remember what it, maybe this is a hosta. This might be a hosta coming up. The leaves kind of look like it could be a hosta. That also looks like a hosta. And we got tulips. This part of the yard doesn't get as much sun as the backyard, so these guys take a little longer to bloom and come up, but yeah, I think those were hostas. Alright, I'm glad they're actually coming up. But yeah, that's all we got. We got hostas. I still have to rip up. I ripped up some of the plastic, but there's still more to rip up. So we got that. Yeah, it's really just tulips. We got some ivy, which is invasive. I don't know if it will choke out my plants up here. So again, if you know that, let me know. I don't know what this little ground covering bush thing is, but it's cute. If it's not gonna choke anything out, it can stay, but if it is, it's gotta go. Yeah, so I feel like it's a type of ivy or something, the way it's like just growing. And we got this guy. These, I think, are my tiger lilies. They're supposed to come up big and orange. Maybe they'll finally come up this year. Last year they just looked like this. That was it. So this, I'm not sure what this is. Yeah, not at all, actually. I don't know what this is. It looks like it has leaves of like a rhododendron, but get out of the, get over here. See what I'm saying? They just walk in. They just walk in. Alright, and here we have, they look like little baby tiger lilies, but these might be the yellow tiger lilies. These, I think, are orange, and these guys are the yellow ones. See, I remember some stuff. And then we just have, I think, some more tiger lilies that I just threw in the corner just to see if they would sprout. And I don't know. They haven't flowered yet, so, and I've been here for a couple years. But this is what we got on this side. And we'll see what's in the front of the house. Alright. We just got tulips that again have not flowered yet. We have some hyacinth and some daffodil. Is this a, I don't know what this one is. Hosta maybe? Did I put a hosta up here? I might have. I don't really remember. We got a dandelion weed. Yeah, we got, I forget the name of this bush, but it grows and has like little purple flowers that come off the stems. Big rose bushes growing nicely. This is supposed to be a ground cover. I put here hoping it would start covering the ground, and it is getting bigger, so I guess it's working. Hyacinth. Some tulips. These are the Asiatic lilies. This is another one coming up. Yeah. A whole bunch coming up there. Some little weeds here and there, but look, another one right there. Asiatic lily. This is another ground coverage. I put in when I first got here like 8 years ago. And that's really all it's done. It was a small little, it's traveling, it's getting there. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, this guy. I've seen this grass somewhere else in the yard. I didn't know what it was, and I still am not sure what it was. I thought it might have been like a small purple flower, but these guys don't have any flowers. It's just a colored grass, which is cool looking. You know, I'm not against having grass and weeds in the garden if they don't choke out the rest of the plants. As long as I can have some flowers, the weeds can stay. But yeah, so yeah, this rose bush is wonky. It's basically just one stem coming up. The rest of the plant, I guess, is dead, or I don't know what. But these guys are bushing out really well. And then on this side, same thing. Got a whole bunch of roses coming up. This guy's like a little tree. It's like a tree rose. Just the way they grew, I guess. We have tulips. Hyacinth? I hope I'm saying that. I'm not sure. So pretty. We got tulips coming up. This is a ground coverage plant. I don't remember the name of it. It's like a fuzzy tongue plant, maybe? Is that what it was called? It's very fuzzy. But it's supposed to cover the ground. Hopefully it doesn't choke out, you know, the rest of the plants, but I gotta do some more research on that. My plan is to have a whole bunch of rose bushes here, right? And then some ground coverage, so I don't really have to worry too much about weeds. And then, you know, the flowers pop up out of the ground coverage. I don't know if that's a real reality, if that will work logistically or botanically. But that was the plan when I started this. Oh, Blaze just came right up in there. So yeah, we got Blaze picking up a stick or a stump. He's trying to pull a stump out of the ground. Oh, is he doing it? He might be. No digging. If you can't get it out, you can't get it out. Alright, so those are those two. Come on. In the backyard. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. And yeah, we got some bags of mulch that we're going to probably throw down somewhere. I tried like a grass killer, weed killer along here, and I guess it kind of worked, but didn't work that well. I plan on putting rose bushes along here, and I also have some lilac bushes, so I might do like rose bush, lilac bush. I don't know, but yeah, I figured we just do the perimeter, all flowers and bushes and plants, and then maybe it'll make mowing a little easier, and yeah, it'll just look cute. Right there. Right there. Oh. He's just chewing a stick, and she's just chilling. Alright, guys. Until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.